Okay, how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Bird. My company's Black Series Edition LLC, Crystal Edge Technology Screens, and Cardboard PC Kingdom, where we actually build PC cases and computers, not out of cardboard, but the PC cases out of cardboard. Anyway, this right here is the dedicated Apex Gamer. Over here, this is the Eclipse Quasar technology, side by side. And as I'm looking at this whole setup we have here, I'm looking at, we're missing a panel, I know that, I'm working on that. And we're also going to be doing the desk pretty soon, and we're doing the floor. But as I'm looking at this setup, I'm thinking about how we had to put all this together. Now, mind you, the walls here in the office are basically a kind of a print. So this is virtually impossible to be able to paint on. We're not going to paint on it anyway, and I wouldn't do it anyway in here. But anyway, no, we couldn't paint on the walls, so that's scratched. I didn't want to drill any holes into the wall. Put in motorized fixed frame screens, motorized projection screens, especially 120 inch. Yeah, that's a big screen. That's a big motorized screen, and then we have to get it in here. If we're doing fixed frame screens, imagine me doing a fixed frame screen of one of these screens right here. Mind you, once you paint a fixed frame screen, you can't exactly take it apart because that elastic surface, the PVC that stretches, doesn't go back to the original form. So that makes it very complicated to get it back inside of the box, and we put it right back up again. So no, once it's up, they're up. What's another problem we would have had? We couldn't do it in here. Okay, so fixed frame screens, no way in the world we're going to get a screen at 150 inches through that door, so that's not going to happen, and that would never fit down the staircase because it's way too long. So no, all the screens we have in here have to be taken apart. Now, the glue we use on them is a very light glue. It does stick, but I can basically dismantle the screens if I want to and take everything apart, which makes it fantastic. And on top of that, nothing in the environment's touched, which again is also fantastic, and the owners freaking love it. So it gave us the ability to be able to do something where we didn't have to touch the environment, but still have screens in the environment. And with the technology we have here, again, no expensive projectors. We're using a $10 projector over here. That's our Sony VPL CX100. Over here, we're using our Christie projector, which is a Christie LW400 projector. That cost me 50 bucks over there. That cost me 10 bucks down there. That's a $10 projector. And I'm able to produce in its fully lit environment without the product washing out or fading out. But the beautiful thing about it, the panel system worked out fantastic. Putting a cardboard box, makeshift wall behind the back, and putting in a panel system made it extremely easy. So I started thinking that we're going to probably start, and we will start a panel system. So these panels are around 36 in length and 24 in height. These would be fantastic to design our own panel system screens. So I'm going to be developing a brand new coating. What we have in these coatings, it's a brand new high-tech coating we're going to be working on. It's going to be again under the ILEG technology, which we have over here. And it's going to be a panel system. Now, we're going to have them in sets of threes, sets of 1, 2, 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many of these do we have in this one here? I think we have 6 over here. Actually, we have 9 over here, but 6, and then we'll have the big boy package at 9. 9 will fill out this whole entire section right here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to break it down. This is actually 4 for the 235.1. So we're going to have them at 24 inches high by 36 inches wide. Because, man, these panels work fantastic. And I've done panels before in the past, but I think this new way we're going with these panels, this is going to work absolutely fantastic for what we want to do. We'll be doing all the coating, so it's going to be a pre-coated surface. All you have to do is take it out of the box and stick it, and it will come with a box of heavy Velcro. Where is this video about up? Okay, I'm about to say, I'm seeing this giant shark move across my screen saying the sea. I was wondering if that one was up and over with. Hopefully not. It's a good video. So, as you can see, we can produce this in a fully lit environment. These panels would be fantastic for commercial use. They'll be fantastic for home theater use. It's going to be fully weatherproof. Of course, ultra short throw compatible. The whole 9 yards. And I think we're going to go with these panels. They're fantastic. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at this fully lit environment. Look at this. Looks absolutely amazing, doesn't it? Freaking loving it. All right. We're going to give you more updates. Probably we're going to start showing up the panel systems. And I got a new system called the Theater on the Go, Business on the Go, which we're going to update the page to Business on the Go. And some other things we're going to be working on. We're also going to be working on some technology for expo demonstrations. If you want to advertise your technology or anything you have at an expo, we're going to be actually working on equipment that allows you actually projection screens that'll make your advertising look absolutely amazing. So yeah, bring it to life. So in ad tech, we're finally going to be to show that in February. We got a few things we have to push around, but we're getting things done. It's a lot of work that has to be done. A lot of work had to be finished. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your time, and God bless.